Hey friends, hello and welcome back to this YouTube channel. In today's another video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix JavaScript errors for your Windows. So I'm going to share to you different methods and solutions. So you just need to follow the method or solution that will best work for you. Okay, so let's go quick into it. First is you have to click on the Windows search bar and open your web browser. So simply type Chrome. Click on Google Chrome under the best match. Now here in your Chrome browser, you just have to select these three dots at the top left corner. I mean like on the top right corner, this one. This is to customize and control Google Chrome. Click on that. Scroll down and you'll find the settings option, the one with the gear-like symbol. Now first is we need to make sure that our Chrome browser is updated. So in the list of options on the left pane, you have to select About Chrome. And here, once you click on About Chrome, that will automatically update your Chrome browser. So in my case, there's still a pending restart on my Windows in order for the update to be installed on my Google Chrome. So in your case, once you click on About Chrome, that will automatically update your Chrome browser. And for the next method, we also need to clear the cache and cookies of our Chrome browser because that corrupted cookies can also be the cause for the issue. Click on Privacy and Security. Click on Delete Browsing Data. Now you have two options on how you can delete the browsing data. It could be basic or advanced. Go to advanced. Now change the time range to all time and make sure to check browsing history check, download history check, cookies and other site data check, cached images and files check. Site settings checked, hosted app data checked, but do not check the passwords and the autofill form data because that will just clear your saved passwords. And finally, click on delete data. Now, we also need to remove some faulty extensions or disable faulty extensions. Still in the list of options on the left pane, you have to select extensions. And once you find your extensions right here, then just simply disable that extension, especially those extensions which are faulty, or you can just also completely remove that extension. And then go back to the settings window. And then we also need to make sure that the JavaScript is enabled on our Windows. So click on Privacy and Security. Click on the Security option. Scroll down and under Advanced, you will find Manage V8 Security. Turn on additional protection in Chrome's JavaScript and WebAssembly engine. Click on that. Make sure that sites can use the V8 optimizer. Chrome's runs faster and features that use JavaScript should work as designed. So make sure this is enabled. Then close out of here. For the next method is we can also turn off the firewall because this can block the JavaScript. So for that, go ahead in the Windows search bar and type security. Now you will find Windows Security. Simply click on that. Then here you have to select Virus and Threat Protection. Under Virus and Threat Protection settings, you'll find Manage Settings. Click on that. So turn off the real-time protection. If this is turned on, turn that off. And then click on Firewall and Network Protection. Click on Domain Network and turn off the Microsoft Defender Firewall and close out of here. And for the next method is you also need to make sure that our Windows is updated. So you just have to simply click on the Start button and go to Settings. Now here in the list of options on the left pane, simply click Windows Update and click this button right here to check for all the updates on your Windows. And that's it. The JavaScript will be fixed. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos and tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.